New at 4:30, meeting people where they are. A new van will be hitting our neediest neighborhoods to provide on-the-spot medical care.
It's a promise to the people of Monroe County that your zip code will not determine your access to health care.
The traveling health clinic is hitting the road at a time when the federal government is considering major cuts to the Medicaid program. News 10 NBC investigative reporter Jennifer Lukey joins us live from St. Joseph's Neighborhood Center on South Avenue. And Jen, the nurses and doctors in this van will be giving care specifically to people who are uninsured or underinsured, right?
Yeah, that's right, Nikki. And with those Medicaid cuts that are on the horizon, how deep they go is really the only thing being debated still. Whether they happen at all is very likely. The folks here are worried that they're going to see a surge of people who lose their insurance and are stuck with nothing, both here at their center on South Ave and with their new mobile clinic.
I was once a patient at this center many years ago, at a time in my life when I felt I had nowhere to turn.
Monroe County legislator Rose Bonnick is talking about the St. Joseph's Neighborhood Center, which provides health care services to those who are uninsured or underinsured.
I leaned on that center at a time when I was so broken, and they provided me with the care and the mental health services that I desperately needed at that time.
For decades, patients have had to come here for care, but now the center can come to them. St. Joseph's bought and will staff this mobile health clinic with a $2.7 million ARPA grant awarded by Monroe County. The executive director tells me the van will go where people live, work, play, and pray.
It's literally an exam room on wheels.
And with the largest cuts to Medicaid ever on the horizon, she's certain they'll be busy.
My biggest fear is that as folks lose insurance, they're going to need services. So we're going to have to and be called upon and will step in to serve those folks. However, it's a situation of having to do more with less.
Congressman Joe Morelli has made his disgust at the Medicaid cuts included in the big, beautiful bill well known.
Contrast that with what we're doing here today, with a degree of federal investment from the American Rescue Plan to the county, where our county executive and county legislators are thinking how to expand the mission of bringing quality health care to people.
St. Joseph's already reaches about 1,600 people every year. With the new van, they're sure that number will rise to well over 2,000.
This is equity in action. It's meeting people where they are with compassion and without judgment.
A sentiment legislator Bonnick knows well.
Today, I stand before you as a testament to what can happen when investments like these are made.
Now, the outreach with the van will target neighborhoods that have high rates of poverty, have chronic health conditions, and have limited access to other health care options. The van will be staffed by some paid employees, but a number of the people who work here, Nikki, are actually volunteers. They're doctors and nurses who have recently retired, who then donate their time back to help those in our community who need it most.
All right, Jen, thank you. And on top of the new van, ARPA money also supported upgrades at the center, including a new roof and technology upgrades.